Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys the best OBS settings for streaming and recording. So let's get started. First, we'll start with the streaming option. So open up your OBS. So this is my OBS right here. Tap on the file option on the top right corner. After you tap on file, you'll find the settings option. Head over to settings, and on your settings, here you will find an output option. Tap on output, and after you tap on output, what we'll simply do is we'll tap on this simple option which will take us to which will give us an option of advanced. After you're on advanced, the first thing that you need to change is the bitrate. Since this is for streaming, change the bitrate to 4000 kbps, and after that, right below that, you'll see keyframe rate. The interval 1, you'll need to change that to 2 seconds. So do that as well. After that, head over to the audio tab and you'll need to change the audio bitrate to 320. So change it to 320 for every track. And that is the settings for streaming. Now let's move on with the settings for the recording. So head over to your advanced section first, like previously. And the first thing you'll need to change here is the video encoder. Make sure that you use the X26 264 one. And after that, you'll need to head over to change your bitrate to 10,000. So change that and then we'll move on with that. After that, you change the bitrate, you'll need to keep the keyframe interval same, and for the CPU uses, choose the faster one to make it efficient between CPU uses and your other settings. Then for the audio, also keep it at 320 bits, and yeah, that's basically all the settings that you need to do. And those are the best settings for streaming and for recording, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.